Perfect. Great.
Rest mattress. With Beauty Rest Endless Summer Savings, there's no better time to buy it than now. Get some of our lowest prices of the year on select Beauty Rest mattresses. The only ones featuring Beauty Rest pocketed coil technology for rejuvenating sleep. Hurry and...
Yesterday, that he knew nothing about the sexual abuse of boys at the Knoll View residential school. The university's ex-Joe Johnson has said a letter signed by a Conservative MP to uni-
New York got that too, and they took it, it left our Johnson Space Center, and it's up there now.
And they can't even call it Houston Street.
Holy shit!
It is really poorly run. And then when you see a self-checkout and that requires the manager to come over and deal with you.
It's insane.
Oh, the other day I was at CVS and the person, while they were checking me out, said, "Give me 1 minute," and walked to another station in CVS where they scooped ice cream for someone and then walked over.
You motherfucker! Fuck! Fuck! You serious, you son of a bitch? What are you doing? Oh my god. Really, dude?
And coming up next, John Hickory. I want to say it one time, but people think it's all I talk about.
Now it's so funny. I think of when I introduced you to my wife, I said he's from Hickory.
Right.
Which is why it's hard. I mean, I think that a lot of things we think of as irreversible aren't. So, to go back to the Middle East, for example, 25 years ago, many of the countries in the Middle East that are now in the throes of religious fundamentalism were thought to be
they could stop it. And I already got the team who would help me. Oh!
Kidding me? Oh, you fucking idiot! Good job, Reed.
Unless you're in the first 3 rows, but the first row is bulkhead.
God damn it!
Are you okay?
I think so.
It appears on anchor.fm/videogamesdaily, as well as the Anchor app, of course, and also on Echo and Google Home devices. Thankfully, or for whatever reason, I got lucky and I didn't have that.
You know I hate to hurt you, I hate to see your pain, but I don't know how to stop, I don't know how to stop.
Minutes on the watch. Yeah, this time brought to you by Holland View. Here we have Ian Harding. Well, we have this accident on Highway 1 right now. Slowing up traffic at 232, and you're backed up all the way to 264th Street. It isn't actually long.
Thanks, Em, to check in and let us know we were keeping her company while on duty at Naval Air Station Oceana in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Well, thank you for your service, Caitlin. Hope you had some time off earlier this week to enjoy the big family festa.